Diana,
Yeah, babe.
where are you bringing me? Yellow.
Hold your applause, hold your applause. I'm not through yet. Now it's time for the hard part. I love that joke.
I feel like we're in Boardwalk Empire right now. Check this out.
Except we're not in Jersey.
How much are we in Boardwalk Empire right now? Except for the purple shirt.
Throwing everything off.
Way to go, lady, with the purple fleece.
Step out of my frame.